Hey everybody, I'm here today with a math lesson on adding fractions with different denominators. In this video, I'll be going over the basic steps for adding fractions with different denominators. So this is the example that I will be using. We have 1 over 3 or 1/3 plus, so we're adding it together with 3 over 4 or 3/4. Okay, so we have two fractions and they each have different denominators. The denominators are the numbers on the bottom of the fraction. And as you can see, this one has a denominator of 3, this one has a denominator of 4. So basically what you need to do is you need to start off by making the denominators the same by finding the least common multiple for the denominators, and then you can actually add them together. So it's a two-step process. Step 1 is making the denominators the same. Step 2 is actually adding them together. So what we need to do is we need to figure out what number is a multiple of 3 and 4. And we know that the number 12 is a multiple of 3 and the number 12 is the multiple of 4. So with that being said, we need to bring both of these bottom numbers to 12. So what we need to do, and I'm going to rewrite it over here, 1 over 3 plus 3 over 4, is we need to figure out what we need to multiply each of these bottom numbers by in order to make them 12. So if we get 3, we need to multiply 3 by 4 in order to get to 12. In order to turn a 3 into a 12, we have to multiply it by 4. And whatever you do to the bottom number of a fraction, you have to do to the top. So we're going to multiply the top by 4 as well. Now a 4, on the other hand, we have to multiply by 3 in order to make it a 12. And that means we have to also do the same thing to the top. So we're multiplying the top number by 3. So we're going to go ahead and simplify it. Once again, we have 1 times 4 over 3 times 4 plus 3 times 3 over 4 times 3. Now what we're going to do is we're going to actually multiply these numbers together. We know the bottom numbers will be 12 and we'll figure out the top number. So 1 times 4 is going to be 4. Very simple. 4 over 3 times 4 is 12. Okay? Plus, that stays the same, 3 times 3 is 9 over 4 times 3 is 12. What we have here is we've now created these fractions that have the same denominator, and we can go ahead and add them together. And all we have to do is add the top number and bring it over 12. So we're going to do 4 plus 9 over 12. 4 plus 9 brings us to 13, and our denominator stays the same as 12. Our final answer is 13 over 12. When we added these two fractions together that had different denominators, all that we really had to do was convert them to have the same denominator using the least common multiple. Basically, you want to find a number that is a multiple of both of the denominators, convert them in that way, rewrite them, simplify them, and you get to your answer. And that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you the process for adding fractions with different denominators. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.